show you how to sign up and subscribe to Kindle Unlimited. I will also answer some of the most common questions about the Kindle Unlimited service. Things like, can you use it with multiple devices, and what's the maximum amount of books you can borrow? So stick around to the very end of this video. I've been using Kindle devices for over a decade now, and I can tell you that Kindle Unlimited has been super helpful for me. It allowed me access to a huge number of ebooks, including ones with Audible narration, which was great for my work commute. Plus, I could read anytime on any device with the free Kindle app. Let's start on how we can purchase Kindle Unlimited. To set up Kindle Unlimited on your Kindle device, simply tap the store icon to access the store. From there, select the Kindle Unlimited option available on the screen. This will trigger a screen offering a 30-day free trial. Alternatively, you can browse categories within the store and choose Kindle Unlimited, where the same deal option will be displayed. If you prefer to set up Kindle Unlimited from your browser, visit the Amazon website. At the top right, click on Accounts and Lists and choose your Kindle Unlimited option. Here you will find an option to click and join Kindle Unlimited. If you'd like to support this channel, please use the Kindle Unlimited purchase link in the description. There's no additional cost to you, but it provides me with a small incentive for the work I do. Now let's address some most common questions about Kindle Unlimited. Can I use Kindle Unlimited on multiple devices? The answer is yes. It works on multiple devices logged into the same Amazon account. Can multiple people use Kindle Unlimited? Yes, if you have multiple Amazon accounts on different devices, you can send borrowed Kindle Unlimited titles to members of your Amazon household. For this to work, you need to set up Amazon Household feature. Can you keep the books on Kindle Unlimited after canceling? No, unfortunately, if you cancel Kindle Unlimited, you cannot keep the books you've borrowed, and notes or highlights from that book will disappear when you return the book. What's the maximum amount of books I can borrow? Kindle Unlimited members can read and hold up to 20 titles at a time before returning them. Can I use my PC for reading via Kindle Unlimited? Yes, Kindle Unlimited works with all Kindle devices, as well as on your phone, computer or tablet through the free Kindle app. Does Kindle Unlimited include Audible? Although you don't have access to Audible audiobooks, audio narration is available for thousands of Kindle Unlimited ebooks. Look for the headphones icon next to the Kindle Unlimited logo on each book. When browsing titles, you can also filter for ebooks with Audible narration option. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel for more Kindle tips and tricks. If you want to learn the quickest way to change font size on your Kindle, head to this video. Happy reading, everyone!